Lord Singer of Bletsoe.
My Lords, is the noble Lord the Minister aware that last week the Zimbabwe Cabinet signed off on the Patriot Bill, which would make it a criminal offence for anyone to criticise President Mnangagwa and for any member of the opposition to speak to any foreign government in a negative way about South Africa? At a time that Zimbabwe is considering rejoining the Commonwealth, can the Minister make it clear that our government will only support this when the rule of law is restored, with freedom of speech and political freedoms are protected?
The noble Lord has articulated the position of Her Majesty's government very well, and those principles will apply.
Annis Ritchie of Dunpat.
My Lords, can the noble Lord the Minister outline what discussions ministers have had with their Commonwealth counterparts about the continuing political repression in Zimbabwe, and about the need to build local economies and political democracy?
My Lords, we continue to engage with Commonwealth partners on the range of issues concerning human rights, specifically on the point of Zimbabwe rejoining the Commonwealth. We are clear that we would only support readmission to the Commonwealth if Zimbabwe meets the admission requirements, and we continue to articulate that in terms of fundamental human rights to our Commonwealth partners as well.
Annis Hoy.
My Lord, Zimbabwe will only become a democracy when the people have a genuinely free and fair election. We have seen that recently in Zambia, and I wonder, could the Minister go further and actually say what more could be done to get Zambia and other countries within SADC to actually put the pressure on Zimbabwe? It's got to come from those countries. We can help, but we must make sure that they do their bit so we get back to a situation where the people of Zimbabwe genuinely have a free and fair election in 2023.
My Lords, I agree with the noble lady, and the noble lady is quite right to say that the importance of SADC and indeed other organisations, and more broadly the AU, have a key role to play, and they must lead on these discussions as much as people want to see